so just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna taste. I know they want my downfall.
Hey guys, it is your girl, the Makeup Plug, and I'm back again with another video. And today, I'm showing you guys how I did this perm rod set on my hair. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So we're starting off with air dried hair because I just actually took my deep conditioner out my hair and I used the Silicone Mix Deep Conditioner. And I love this deep conditioner, especially because I dyed my hair. I've always loved this deep conditioner. It's been A1 with me. And then the next thing I'm using is my DevaCurl Leave-In. This is the Decadence one, and I love the smell and the moisture from this. And we also have to have our Lotta Body. That is #1 always. And then I love this gel. It's the Garnier Fructis Curl Treatment. And I'm just taking some clips. And then I have my 2 perm rods. I have 2 different sizes, the orange and the white. Then also my Denman brush and my wide tooth comb. Now off camera, I did start half of my hair and I already sectioned it because it was air dried, so it was easy for me to do that. And I didn't want this video to be too long, so yes. Now I'm just taking this section and I'm taking that whole section that I parted out, and I'm starting with my DevaCurl Leave-In conditioner, and it's the Decadence one, and I'm actually adding a little bit of the Main Choice dry oil in there just for some added moisture, which I love this combination. I've been doing it for actually a year now and it's been working for me fine. I don't have any flakes or anything like that. And I just make sure that I coat the whole section. And now I'm going to be adding 3 pumps of Lotta Body to this section. And I say 3 pumps to each section just because I noticed I was going through the Lotta Body bottle so quickly after each one of my perm rod sets. And then I noticed it was just me overusing the product. So now that I do it like this, I save so much more product by doing it by section instead of by piece. Now I'm just taking this little small section right here and I'm actually just going to be smoothing it with my Denman brush. And the smoother you get your hair for your perm rods, the less frizzy it will be when you unravel them. Okay, so now for my perm rods, I always tuck my ends first and I try to smooth the ends. And then I start rolling the rod towards my face and then I'm a wrap under. And you never want to wrap too tight because it will affect your hair, but wrap to your liking just so it won't affect your scalp, because sometimes it can hurt when you have perm rods too tight towards your scalp. And I'm just showing you guys one more time how I do my perm rod. And so we're going to start by just tucking the ends first, and I'm just going to be tucking it under the hair that I will be wrapping it in, and I'm rolling the rod towards my face. And mind you, don't rush through this process. It can be a little frustrating, especially with natural hair, but the more patient, the better. You guys can see that I'm still rolling, and then I will start to wrap. And I love how smooth I have the hair so far, because once I unravel it, the hair will have a beautiful sheen and it will just look so smooth and so good. What is your favorite product you guys like to use when you do your perm rod set? Comment down below and let me know. If you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. What are you guys waiting on? What hair tutorial should I do next? Should I do like a ponytail? Should I straighten my hair again? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below, because I'm always looking at little tutorials, but should I do another one on my channel? Let me know. And this is the next morning, guys, and my hair is finally done. Yes, your girl got through it. It only took an hour just because I was taking my time. I'm always big on taking your time, especially when you're doing your hair, because you never want anything to happen while you're doing your hair. Y'all, look at that curl. Shrinkage is something else. Let me tell y'all that now. Oh my goodness. The hair still looks good. It looks smooth and it's less frizzy than what it would have actually been if I would have used wet hair. And now that I'm unraveling, I unravel it going under, so the opposite way that I wrapped it. Look how shiny that curl is. That curl looks so good. And if you ever feel like you have a little twist at the root, you just gently untwist it and you just literally just pull down very slightly. Look how short my hair is right now compared to when it's stretched. Like, shrinkage is real. People think I've cut my hair or it's falling off. No, it's still the same, but it's gotten way longer. Give me a like if you like how my hair is turning out so far. If you feel like this is a great perm rod tutorial, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Y'all, your girl is done taking out these perm rods. Look at the hair. I love how my hair came out, but the only thing that I did not have, I couldn't find my hair pick, so I did have to use my Denman brush. But I know throughout the whole week my hair will continue to get bigger and bigger, and I'm very satisfied for how it came out. So guys, do not forget to leave me a like, a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys next time.